This is a virus outbreak warning for Shanghai. Evacuate now. The virus has reached the city. You are currently listening to the English version. I repeat, the virus has reached Shanghai. Evacuate now. Being food and water and clothing.
Hello, welcome to Uzbekistani News in English. A drought has been detected. Seek shelter, do anything to make you warm or cold. Recommend use a fan. Evacuate to Tashkent if possible. The drought will hit in an hour from now. This is English news program in Bhutan. Recently US and Sri Lanka established a new forum providing information about our tribes, the languages and more. You can visit the forum at the website displayed on screen. Now, the next news is that warning. Warning. This is not a test. This is not a drill. The virus, which we'll now call the contagion, has reached Beijing. People are advised to evacuate as this virus can pass through any wall made of any material. Repeat. The virus, which we'll now call the contagion, has reached Beijing. People are advised to evacuate as this virus can pass through any wall made of any material. The virus, which we'll now call the contagion, has. Hello and welcome to the news. I am your host, Andy Anderson, and here are the news. Firstly, our troops are coming to Syria to stop Spain from invading it. It is unknown if the Arab League will join. Next, A. Warning. Warning. Beijing has fallen to the contagion. I repeat, Beijing has fallen to the contagion. Spend your final moments until you get infected. But, will not fall down to a virus like this. Long live China and its people. There will be no capital after this because we'll fight until the last breath.